Hello. Hi. Beautiful weather, autumn. As you can see, the leaves is so beautiful. It's very golden, yellow, green mixed colors. It's beautiful. Anyway, so today our challenge is to complete 5,000 steps, and also I will discuss about depression, as depression is a complex mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can lead to persistent feelings of sadness, fatigue, and a loss of interest in activities that once brought joy. Managing depression involves a combination of lifestyle changes, therapies, and in some cases medications, among natural strategies. So physical activity, particularly walking, has shown significant benefits in easing depressive symptoms. So let's start our walk. Walking, especially in nature or peaceful settings, reduces cortisol levels, the primary stress hormone. Lower stress levels contribute to better mental health and can help manage the symptoms of depression more effectively. So keep walking and enjoy the nature. How amazing this is. Beautiful. This is beautiful. This is a stunning view. There's a small lake or reservoir that is absolutely beautiful. Look how many swans are here. I've never been in between so many ducks, and so beautiful. Astonishing. This is incredible. I just loved it. Look at that. Okay, so I was just really enjoying these swans and the nature, and the atmosphere is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So many birds, there are seagulls, there are pigeons. Amazing. So regular walking stimulates the production of endorphins, chemicals in the brain that act as natural mood lifters. So walking for just 30 minutes to 40 minutes a day can help alleviate the intensity of depressive episodes and promote a sense of well-being. So walk daily, come into nature, connect with nature, and enjoy the benefit of walking. Look at that. You're walking besides me. Depression often leaves individuals feeling fatigued and lethargic. Incorporating daily walk can improve blood circulation and increase oxygen flow, leading to greater energy and reduced tiredness. So this is another great benefit of walking every day, especially in nature, and connect with nature and get all these benefits. It will really increase energy levels. So beautiful. Physical activity like walking has been linked to better sleep patterns. Improved sleep contributes to better emotional regulations, which is crucial in managing depression. So this is another great benefit of walking, that it improves sleep quality, which is directly linked with the depression. So it's absolutely beautiful around here now. I just loved it. Walking with friends, family, or in a group setting can help foster social connections, breaking the cycle of isolation that depression often brings. So if you would like to walk with your friends or family, do that. It's really help you to control your depression with enhanced social interaction. So just join the groups, walking groups, hiking groups, and enjoy the benefits of the walk and control your depression. Look, they thought I have food, but unfortunately I do not have anything to feed them. This is actually stunning. I should have some food so I can feed them, but no. absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. It's autumn, and as you can see, there are golden leaves, and these birds' noise is so soothing, so calm, peaceful. Really, I feel very fresh. I feel mentally strong. So guys, walk for your health, for your stress, for your depression. Incredible. This is absolutely stunning. So I just completed my 5,000 steps a day. So incorporating walking into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful way to manage depression. While it should not replace professional treatment, walking offers a natural boost to mental health and overall well-being. Embrace the power of movement and take steps. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.